Welcome to all. Today let us find pair of bisectors of angle between the given pair of lines. Okay. See, given pair of lines are ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Okay. And this represented by two lines like this. We can think that y equal to m1x and another straight line y equal to m2x like that. Then how we can write this also will be equal to y minus m1x times y minus m2x. Okay, gradient form I wrote. Okay, and I did not wrote y-intercept. Why? Because it passes through origin. Okay, now we'll compare the coefficients. Here we simplify a little. Like y into y square minus m1, I am multiplying this and this. So m2 xy I will get. Here if I multiply this 2, I will get m1 xy. I can take xy common. So m1 plus m2 times xy. And first and last term we are going to multiply. There what I am going to get? M minus into minus plus m1 times m2 times x square I will get. Okay. Now comparing with the ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. What we are going to have on comparing? We have x square coefficient a will be m1 times m2, and next hy coefficient h we have tried xy coefficient, sorry, that is 2h. Here we are having minus m1 plus m2. Next what we should have? The y square coefficient. Here we are having b. Here we are having unity. Okay. Now see here, m1 plus m2 value we can find. How we can find this? Minus, you can bring this side, minus 2h. Okay. Also, I can write one unity value is b, no? I can write like this. And product, m1, product of the slopes. m1 times m2 by 1 like that I will write. m1 times m2 is nothing but a. Unity is b. So m1 times m2 I can take a upon b. Okay. Next see, one of the angle, we have to find combined equation of pair of bisectors, no? One of the angle bisector, we can take it as y equal to mx. Okay, one of the angle bisector I am taking y equal to mx. Now I will see first I will write thetas. How thetas will be there? See, m is nothing but slope, no? Slope is represented by tan theta or raised by steps. So here you see, okay, m, here y equal to mx. For y equal to mx, slope m equal to tan theta. Okay. For y equal to m1x, slope m1 is tan theta 1, you think. So this is theta 1 and this is here only will write theta. Next, overall angle. This can be, that is that line you see, y equal to m2x. Then the slope m2 is tan theta 2. Okay, this angle, overall angle is theta 2. Okay, this y equal to mx is the angle bisector. If it is angle bisector, it will divide the angle into two equal parts. Okay, then what will be this? See, overall up to here theta, from this theta if you reduce theta 1, then you are going to get this angle. And how will you get this? See, overall angle is theta 2. From that theta 2, we need to reduce theta. Okay, and here y equal to mx is the angle bisector. Here y equal to mx is angle bisector, one of the angle bisector. If it is angle bisector, then these two angles should be equal. That is theta minus theta 1 is equals to theta 2 minus theta. Theta you bring one side, minus theta if you bring this side, plus theta. Theta plus theta, twice theta will be equal to this minus theta 1 you send that side. It will become plus. So we are having, take tan on both sides now. Okay, if you take tan on both sides, we will be having tan 2 theta is equals to tan theta 1 plus theta 2. Here tan A plus B formula we should know. Okay, tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A times tan B. Here multiplications. So tan 2 theta also from that we can get. Here tan theta means 2 tan theta will get down 1 minus here tan theta into tan theta means tan square theta. This is the formula for tan 2 theta. Now see what we can do. Tan theta is here, tan theta here slope, no? Then that m value it is. So tan theta will be equal to y upon x. We know that. Okay. Tan theta is equals to, it's the ratio of y coefficient upon x when slope form, when the given line equation in the gradient form or slope form. Here 1 minus, instead of tan theta we can write y upon x. Here square is there, so we have to write square. Tan theta 1 you see. Tan theta 1, here tan theta 1 is nothing but m1, no? So we can write with m1, m2 upon 1 minus m1 into m2. Okay. Now we have to simplify and get the answer. See. How we can simplify? Here we are having m1 plus m2 values and m1 into m2 values. The substitute there. See, here we can, what we can do? Here only I will substitute. Okay. 2y upon x is there. Then denominator what we are going to have? X square minus y square whole divided by x square. That I can bring. I can write the reciprocal. Denominator is their fraction. I can bring to numerator. It will become like this. This equal to, there see, m1 plus m2 what I can write? Minus 2h upon b. Minus 2h upon b. 1 by 1 minus, okay, that value I wrote. Next m1 times m2 means I can write a upon b. Here 1x can be cancelled. Numerator 2xy is there. So 2xy whole divided by x square minus y square we are having. Okay. Next, what we can do here, we have to do cross multiplication. B minus a will come. So minus 2h is there, numerator. Here b times. Here also what we can do, no, minus I can take common. Then it will become a minus b, it will become b minus a. I can take minus common. So whole divided by minus 2h upon b is there. Okay, that b we wrote here I think. Okay, let it be. Minus 2h. Okay, this is a minus, b minus a, no, I wrote minus of a minus b I wrote, whole divided by b. Okay, if we are having any confusion, no, this b you write here itself. Minus 2h upon b you can write in numerator itself. Okay, down we are, if we do cross multiplication we are going to get this. This b you can cancel, minus minus you can cancel. Okay, and 2 also we can cancel. So if you do the cross multiplication we will get the desired result. Xy times a minus b is equals to h times x square minus y square. This is what we have to prove. This will give the combined equation of pair of bisector of the angle between the given pair of straight lines. H times x square minus y square is equals to a minus b times xy. Okay, we have proved now. After proving this, let us solve one problem. Okay, they have given pair of lines, pair of straight lines is given by given pair of straight lines is 6x square plus 11xy plus 3y square equal to 0. See, this you compare with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Then we have x square coefficient is 6, 2h is 11, so h will be 11 upon 2, and y square coefficient b equal to 3. What we have to find? We have to find the, therefore the combined equation, okay, 1 minute, equation of the pair of bisectors of the angle between given pair of straight lines is given pair of lines. Just now we have derived the formula, that is h times x square minus y square will be equal to a minus b times xy. Okay, now h value what we can write? 11 upon 2 you can write a minus b, that is 6 minus 3. Okay, writing formula 1 mark, and substitution half mark, and simplify and express in the standard form. So here this 2 I can take, 6 minus 3 means 3, this 2 I can take that side, so what it will become? 2 times 3 means 6y. Here I can multiply with 11, that is 11x square minus 11y square. You can bring that 6xy this side. So what the equation will be? 11x square minus 6xy minus 11y square equal to 0. This is the combined equation. Combined equation of pair of bisector of the angle between the given pair of straight lines. Thanks for watching.